guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me, and I'm coming to you with an unboxing of my Grow Collaborative collection. Also, guys, I'm going to do a demonstration of one of the products I purchased. So if you're interested in this type of video, please stick around. The items I purchased this month are my multi-purpose cleaner. I was out of that. And then I'm trying something new. I'm trying this Method antibiotic toilet bowl cleaner. Everybody's talking about that and how good it is. So I want to see how it is for myself. And I got some more dishwasher soap. And I ordered this hard floor cleaner. Because as you know, my floors are all, if you can see them, my floors are all white in the family room, the kitchen, the breakfast area, and the front formal dining room. They're all this ceramic floor, even the bathrooms. So it's a lot to keep clean, especially with it being white. So I want to find something that would clean it and keep it shiny in a sense so it doesn't look, matted. But anyway, I purchased this. I ordered this in this box for this month. But in a haul here recently, I found the Method hard floor cleaner mop, the dispenser, and it came with a bottle of hard floor cleaner in it, and the hard floor cleaner is spearmint. So I said, isn't this funny? I just ordered this to try it because of these floors, and I looked up on this with the mop at Dirt Cheap in a haul I did, and the haul will be coming up maybe the haul is already up, so I'm not sure. If it hasn't come up already, then I will link the haul with this video. Hopefully I will try. I'm trying to get better at linking things, guys. Sister gets forgetful sometimes. So I want to show you guys how the mop works with this floor cleaning. So if you give me a minute, I'll get it set up and I'll show you guys how it looks. Before I get started, I want to show you guys the box it came in. It's a Casabella mop and spray. It's with Method. So with the box, it comes with this mop that you have to put together. In here, I've been using it. You see, it's still some fluid in here. So I'm going to show you real quick how it does. Now, the cleaning pad on here is washable. So once I get through doing the floors in here today, I'll be able to throw this in the washing machine. Now, in the handle here is this green, lime green, yellow button. You push that button down you pull it up to spray. And you mop your floors with it. And I mean, it does it really well. It cleans really well, guys. It makes the floor shine. I've already done most of this room already. Clean this room, and I thought I would share this part with you. Now you see the shining on that floor? That's what I want. And when it dries, it still has a shine to it, makes the floors look gorgeous. So I've already done most of this room. The next rooms I have to do will be the breakfast area and the kitchen. But I want to show you guys this mop. Again, I picked it up at Dirt Cheap, and from looking online, I saw they sell them at Target as well. So you might take a look at them at Target. But at Dirt Cheap, I purchased this yesterday for I think about $15. And I know at Target they run like $29.99. So, and it also comes, keep in mind, it comes in with a full bottle of floor cleaner as well. So you're getting the best of both worlds. So again, if you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please click the subscribe button and become a family. We would love to have you. Also, follow me on my social media accounts. They will be listed at the end of the video. And as always, this is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me saying, you guys, keep cleaning. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also follow me on my social media accounts. Facebook, Pinterest, Google+, and my website, Creatively Miss Me, Creatively_Miss Me for Instagram. And guys, as always, you be blessed.